Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're discussing a common skincare issue, blackheads. If you're looking for natural ways to tackle blackheads at home, you're in the right place. We'll explore several effective remedies, so let's get started. Understanding blackheads. First, let's briefly understand what blackheads are. They form when pores become clogged with oil and dead skin cells. When the clogged pore is exposed to air, it oxidizes and turns black, hence the name. They can be stubborn, but with the right approach, you can effectively remove them. Baking soda scrub. Our first remedy is a simple baking soda scrub. Baking soda helps exfoliate and unclog pores. Instructions. 1. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with enough water to create a paste. 2. Gently massage it onto your face for about 2-3 minutes, focusing on areas with blackheads. 3. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Honey and cinnamon mask. Next up is a honey and cinnamon mask. Honey has antibacterial properties and cinnamon can enhance circulation. Instructions. 1. Combine 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 2. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Rinse off with warm water, lemon juice and sugar scrub. Our third remedy is a lemon juice and sugar scrub. This is great for exfoliation and oil control. Instructions. 1. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of sugar. 2. Gently scrub your face in circular motions for a few minutes. 3. Rinse thoroughly. Egg white mask. Now, let's try an egg white mask. This is a popular method for tightening pores. Instructions. 1. Whisk 1 egg white until frothy. 2. Apply a thin layer to your face and place a tissue over it. 3. Once it dries, peel off the tissue gently. Next is a green tea scrub. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and great for the skin. Instructions. 1. Take 1 tablespoon of dried green tea leaves and mix with 1 tablespoon of water. 2. Scrub your face gently for a few minutes, then rinse. Steam treatment. Lastly, let's talk about steam treatments. Steaming opens up your pores, making it easier to remove blackheads. Instructions. 1. Boil water and pour it into a bowl. 2. Lean over the bowl with a towel over your head for 10 to 15 minutes. That's it for our natural remedies to remove blackheads. Remember to exfoliate regularly and stay hydrated for best results. Have you tried any of these remedies? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home remedies and skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and happy skincare!